See, there is another way through which you can accept reject criterion is payback method. What do you mean by payback method? Payback method will help to find how quickly, how quickly initial investments, how quickly initial investments shall be recovered. What is that? Will help to find how quickly initial investment shall be recovered through undiscounted cash flow. Correct? Payback method will help to find how quickly initial investment shall be recovered through undiscounted cash flow. Okay. For example, I have 4 years cash flow. My cash flow in the first year is, that is in year 0 is 1 lakh. I have to spend 1 lakh of rupees in year number 0. So in the first year, I recover 35,000. In the second year, I recover 40,000. And in the third year, I recover 50,000. And in the last year, I recover once again 30,000. That is, this is my flow. So where I say how quickly recover my initial investment. What is your initial investment? Initial investment is 1 lakh. If I have recovered 35,000 in the first year, then cumulatively how much I have recovered at the end of the second year? 75,000. How did I get 75,000? 35,000 plus 40,000, isn't it? What is the cumulative recovery I am making it at the end of the third year? 1,25,000. How come 75,000 I have done plus 50,000 I am doing it here? Correct. How much I recover in the fourth year in 1,55,000. So all this computation for the fourth year is not required. Why? Because I have recovered my money between year number 2 and year number 3. Isn't it? Venkatraman, are you clear? Between year number 2 and year number 3 itself, I recovered my money. Say, sir, no. What is your initial investment? 1 lakh. How much did you recover at the end of the second year? 75,000. How much you have recovered at the end of the third year? 1,25,000. That means between year number 2 and year number 3, I have recovered my 1 lakh. Isn't it? So can you tell by what point of time you would have recovered in the third year? So I can do that interpolation exercise. What is that interpolation exercise? In second year I have recovered. How much more I have to recover to reach my 1 lakh? 25,000 rupees more I have to recover in the third year. Am I right? Yes or no? Hey, if your house is located in, say, Kodambakam, and the train stops only at Mambalam, and then the next stop is Egmore. Where should you get down? Mambalam, and the next station is Kodambakam. You don't have to go to Egmore and come back 3-4 stations here. So this sort of getting down and adding for one more station is what you call it as interpolation. Are you understanding, all of you? If your house is between two bus stops, where you will get down? Can you ask your conductor, please stop here, my house is coming? He will not stop. Why he will not stop? Can you just ask the bus driver, you have a break, no? Why don't you stop? You cannot ask him. Why you cannot ask him? What is the problem? Whether he is going to behead you? No. He can't stop in the midway. Only in the bus stop, it is expected to stop is what all motorist and car, cycle, rickshaw man, everybody will be believing. See, when you are a CMA student, what is it I will believe? 3:30 means you will come by 3:30 is what a professor or a faculty member will be expecting. I am sending SMS, where are you and all that. He did not even reply. No, I sent a SMS, no. You have not replied at all. Where are you? No. And she had just sent by 3:35. Sir, I will come in 5 minutes time. Tire got punctured. CMA students would mean they will reply. They will come in time. Likewise, all people are expecting that the bus will stop only in bus stop. In between your house is there would mean even though the driver is your neighbor uncle, he cannot stop. You should decide as where to get down in the previous stop itself or in the next stop. You are getting down in the previous stop itself. What is it you should do? You should walk in the same distance as that of the bus and get to your house. Supposing you have fallen asleep in the bus, because we find some of our friends in the train while they travel, they sleep and come. They have the luxury. Imagine that our friend had missed Mambalam and got to Kodambakam. He has to come back, no? Correct? No. Likewise, you have between 75,000 and 25,000, 1 lakh. So, therefore, 1 lakh minus 75,000 within brackets 1 lakh 25,000 minus 75,000. Are you understanding, all of you? Are you understanding this? This is nothing but difference between the last one and to your target. What is this denominator? Denominator is the range between the third year and the second year. So, which is equal to 2 plus 25,000 divided by 50,000, which is equal to 2.5 years, 2.5 years. Are you understanding, all of you? Say yes or no. This is what you call it out as what? Payback period. Payback period is equal to 2.5 years. That